M5215. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, my name is Sinaida Sakaris, 40 years old, married, have three kids, and I am taking
Okay, your religion
a Roman Catholic, sir.
and your highest educational
I
attainment.
am college level only, taking a first of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education.
Okay, I saw that you have experience being a helper in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia since 2015 to 2017. What are your main duty as a helper?
My main duty as a helper in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia is taking care of the old women and uh, car washing and cleaning.
Okay, and other household chores?
And I also washing and cooking the food of the old woman.
Okay, you also have another experience in Kuwait since 2017 to 2019 as a helper in Kuwait. What are your main duties?
My main duty in Kuwait, I also caring the newborn baby, cooking, and also
House,
cleaning the
household
old.
chores. Okay. I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, which is you already said earlier. How do you prepare a milk for this newborn baby?
I prepare the milk of the baby. First, I will wash my hands. Then I will wash the bottle, sterilize the bottle, and then put the right amount of water and milk. Then I will shake it well. Then I will feed the baby.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the diaper is full. Then feed the baby, and then I will check the body temperature. Then I will
Okay, if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the body temperature, the diaper, and also the baby if it is hungry and is still crying, what will you do?
I will call the parents of the baby if
Okay.
they cry.
Um, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is safest place and high salary.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer is want to work there.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare a Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to take
learn.
watch the YouTube and to read the
Cookbooks?
cooking books.
Okay, and you also can watch your Madam and Sir how do they prepare their food so that you could learn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer provides a food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provides.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in the holidays set up by your
Yes, sir.
employer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to take care of disabled elderly.
Yes, sir.
How about take care of pets?
Yes, sir.
If the employer or one of the member of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it's okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn, sir.
Okay. Last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am honest, obedient, patient, diligent, and respect. And I will respect you, sir, and to all your families.
Okay. Thank you very much, M5215, Miss Senaida.
Thank you so much.